Wow. What's that?
Is it a bird?
No.
Is it a plane?
No.
What is it?
It's the early bird.
I just asked if it was a bird.
Yeah, but this is totally different.
Let me see.
No.
Majestic. You know what this means? Select Adelaide Fringe shows and sessions are 30% off.
Wow.
Look at this. It says the sale is only on for the first week that tickets are on sale and ends on the
11th of December.
Wow.
Majestic.
Damn. My binoculars aren't working. Can I borrow yours, Aaron?
No.
Oh.
Majestic.
Ah.